Hello everyone, this is Charles Bridgedeck with another flashlight review, this time on a BLF Limited Edition Kronos. Now I was sent this flashlight to review by Banggood.com, and I will list a link up there to where you can go ahead and get this light as well. Later on in the video I will post up on the screen my discount code, and please use that and it'll save you some money. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what's in. Okay. Comes with the lanyard. Now this appears to be another rubber grommet to replace the button on the power switch, and you can also change it to, looks like clear one and a black one. And I'm not seeing, yes, there is an extra O-ring in there as well. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the light. Just going to show that up to you real close. This is really, really impressive. Now, yes, I did put a battery in that already. Wanted to go over some of the modes before I showed it to you. And this thing puts out 1400 lumens. Okay, now this reaches 1400 lumens on high by having a 14500 battery in this. Now let me go ahead and show you what I'm running in it. I'm running a truss fire. Now this is a genuine truss fire. This is a protected cell. And this is only 900 milliamps. So let's see how this does out there when we take it outside. Now, I've had no problems with these batteries so far. I'm going to take a look at that spring. Very heavy duty spring, well greased threads as well. Very nice. I'll show you. Very nice update, very nice clip on here, and I mean this is really heavy duty, very, very rugged. The construction, the overall anodizing is just outstanding. I'm going to go ahead and put the battery back in. Okay, we're going to go ahead and look at the reflector. Now this is an XPL-HI LED, and yes, that is a Cree. Just going to go over some of the anodizing on here up close. It's very, very nice. I'm really liking the fact that this is such good quality, and you know, just the machining on it, even the extra knurling here, a little bit here, and also on the tail cap. Now this light goes for $29.95 on Banggood.com, and that is a lighted switch. And I'll be providing a discount code on the screen a later part in my video, and that'll help you save a little bit of cash on this. Very nice. BLF, very nice product. This is my first product from BLF, so I'm right away, this is very nice quality. I'm feeling it. It's just really nice. It is small, so but the point of pressure to be able to put your finger in there easily, that's why you have those little. Now I don't know if this will stand up too well because of that, so you cannot stand this up. And this special edition BLF, just to show you, X5. Look at the machining on that. Very affordable light. Outstanding value. Just incredible quality. Okay, now you have 8 different UI interfaces. You have 1 through 8. Now I have mine set on number 7. I like the number 7. So once you program, you're going to go through, once you take the battery out, put it in, you're going to select which one. Once you find the mode levels that you like, you're going to press and hold that for 3 seconds. Once you hold that for 3 seconds, then it will memorize that particular UI for what you've selected. So I've selected number 7, which has 5 lumens right now. And then you have 47, 135, 293, 543, 858, and 1400 lumens, and then goes back down. So I like the 7 better. They're a little bit farther spaces and output, and that's what I like. But you have 8 different ones that come with this light. Now if you want to do those special modes again, there's turbo. Push again, you have strobe. Push it in again, you have that specialized beacon. And then press all the way in, and you have another series of, see if I can pick that up on camera. You see that? Very interesting features this little guy has. Press again. Strobe, show you again. Another set type of beacon. Pressing all the way again, and you have the light stays on, but it pulsates. Very, very nice. Push it in again, and you're back to the regular UI. A lot of features, very nice quality. At this price, I'm very surprised. I'm very much impressed with this. The build quality is outstanding, and I really like this. Okay, let's go ahead and take this little guy out there into the wilderness, see how it does. And we have the lit up button, BLF, and we're going to go ahead and get started on that. And that's the lowest setting. You can sort of see it on the ground there. Probably about 5 feet. We're going to go to the next level. It's getting a little bit better. We're going to go to the next level. Now that's 25 feet away. And that's doing really good. That's got a good spill. Easily making Tree of Life. We're going to go to the next level. It is cold out here tonight. And there's the next level. Look at that. all from this little pocket rocket. Easily making a school. Wow. Very impressed. For such a inexpensive flashlight, this is doing really, really good. Look at that. Along the fence line, look at that. Not bad. We're going to go to the next level. And that is a little bit better. Look at that. Alright. Easily making the tree of life. And it is making the school. Alright. Well out there into the park. Usually making the tree along the fence line. Okay, we're going to go back. We're going to go to the next level. Oh, look at that. Look at the spill on that for such a small light. Look at that. Usually making the tree of life. Now the school's getting brighter. It's got very good range on it for such a small light. Excellent color temperature. And it's starting to rain out here. I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this up. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the next level. And there's the highest output. Look how far that's shooting out. Not quite making the playground, but it is faintly. Look at the range on that. It's incredible. Look at that. Easily making the tree of life. This is a very impressive light for its size. And it is cold out here tonight, so it's not even heating up. And there you go. All right. What an amazing light this is. Outstanding range on this. I still can't believe it only runs one cell, that this thing is kicking out 1400 lumens. It's just an incredible performer. It's got a lot of nice detail. The machining craftsmanship is perfect. I'm really liking this. This is definitely a nice, compact EDC. Definitely made for every day. It's just blows me away that this can be so cheap, and I'm saying only in price, that they give you this quality out of this box. I'm giving this a perfect 10. It's a solid light, solid performer. I really think you're going to like this if you do end up getting it. Look up on that screen right about now and look for my coupon code. And I want to thank again Banggood.com for sending me this light. What an incredible surprise this was, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, please share, like, and subscribe. Helps me to be able to bring more lights like these. That way you can see them in action and you can say, hey, you know what, I want to get this light. And I hope it helps you out. Thank you again for watching. Take care.